So a really helpful little trick that embroiderers often use is to use what we call the scissor tweezer combo. And this is just for removing your threads, excess threads or stumpy threads from your embroidery by using the two tools together. The advantage of bringing the two tools together is that by having tension on the thread itself when you're cutting it, you get a much cleaner cut by the scissors, as it's got that pressure to allow it to go through cleanly and not leave you with stumpy ends. Because I know that this is something that you must have come across when you've been embroidering things for yourself, is that being left with a little stumpy piece of thread that starts to fray and then you can't catch it at all is just so frustrating and can make your work look really messy, when in fact it doesn't need to be at all, and the work itself wasn't, it was just you got an unfortunate cut. But it's this pressure here pulling on the thread that allows you to get in really close to the base and make a nice clean cut.
So let's take a closer look at what's really going on here. We like to get our tweezers in underneath the piece of thread that needs to be removed first and give it some tension for the first cut. But getting the first cut in isn't quite so hard because it's already tensioned by the fact that it's still attached on the other end. The more important part is when you make the second cut to the piece of thread you want to remove, or if your thread is already loose like this, then it's catching hold of that thread firmly and cutting right at the base while still tensioning that piece of thread that needs to go for the scissors to make a good clean cut at the bottom that doesn't leave you with any awkward stumps anywhere, or worse, fluffy bits, because once they're fluffy you just can't get hold of them again.
We like to use the pointed tweezers for this because they have these really sharp pointed ends, so they're great for getting in and underneath the threads and lifting them up. I today am using the curved applique scissors here for cutting, which is quite good because the nose turns up away from the fabric, particularly when you've got something quite catchy like this lace effect embroidery here. They're really great for making sure you don't catch anything that you didn't mean to. But this approach will work with kind of any sharp snips that you want to use. Both of these are available on the London Embroidery School website should you wish to grab a pair of your own, or indeed try with some scissors and tweezers that you already have at home. A lot of people are quite happy to just use tweezers like you would use for your eyebrows, and that is absolutely fine if that's what you're comfortable with. This will definitely work in that way. I personally quite like a very narrow tweezer, but that is my personal preference. The advantage of having a slightly wider ended tweezer is that you get good traction across the whole of the tip. As with, you'll probably have seen, sometimes it takes a few goes to actually grab the part of these tweezers that have traction between them, as it's such a narrow point that you're aiming for. It's quite easy to miss on occasion. But there are obviously other advantages on the accuracy to using pointed tweezers, so they have become my firm favourites.
This certainly might seem like a really simple thing, but it's the sort of thing that can really level up your embroidery and give it a lot more of a professional finish. Having loose threads are one of those things that's always going to happen with embroidery, so it's really good to know a way that you can cleanly finish everything off, regardless of just how many little cuts there are to be done. And as you can see, we're working here on a piece of machine embroidery, which obviously is a less usual thing for us to do at the London Embroidery School, but our sister company Hawthorne and Heaney does do a lot of machine embroidery, and so this is a piece from there. But yeah, it can be applied to both machine and hand. It's a problem that will arise in both sectors. And so whether you are a machine or a hand embroiderer, hopefully this is something that you will find useful. The curved applique scissors can be really useful for machine embroidery as they have quite short blades but quite a long handle, so they're quite good for getting into the machine as well as using them for removing threads like this. But obviously it is for applique that they're actually designed, and they're also excellent for that. There are lots of threads that need to be removed on this particular design, which was part of a bigger whole, but luckily this equipment pairing is really well matched for it. If you've enjoyed this tip, think about giving us a like and perhaps subscribing to the London Embroidery School channel